Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove search engines from Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open and ready, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots there, which is the Chrome menu icon. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu, and from this menu, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize various aspects of your browser. Now that you're in the settings page, look at the left sidebar. This is where all the main settings categories are listed. In this sidebar, locate and click on Search Engine. This section controls how Chrome handles your search queries and which search providers are available in your browser. It's an important area for managing your browsing experience and keeping your search options organized. After clicking on Search Engine, you'll see several options appear on the right side of the screen. Look for the option that says Manage Search Engines and Site Search and click on it. This is where Chrome stores all the search engines that have been added to your browser, whether you added them manually or they were added automatically when you visited certain websites. Once you're in the Manage Search Engines page, you'll notice a section labeled Search Engines. This section displays all the search engines currently available in your Chrome browser. Take a moment to scroll through this list and locate the specific search engine you want to remove. These could be search engines you no longer use or ones that were added without your knowledge. When you've found the search engine you want to delete, look to the right of its name. You'll see three vertical dots next to it. Click on these three dots to open a small menu with additional options. From this menu, select Delete. This initiates the removal process for that particular search engine. After clicking Delete, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is Chrome's way of making sure you really want to remove this search engine, as the action cannot be easily undone. Simply click the Delete button in this confirmation message to finalize the removal. And that's it. The search engine has now been successfully removed from your Chrome browser, giving you a cleaner, more organized list of search options. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.